Annuities are one of the most effective tools for minimizing taxes in retirement. But many retirees don't realize just how powerful they can be when it comes to preserving wealth and reducing tax liabilities. If you're looking for ways to keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket, understanding how annuities work could make a huge difference. In this video, we're going to dive into how you can use annuities to minimize your taxes, and you'll learn exactly how you can take advantage of them in your retirement planning. But before we get into that, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and securing your financial future, make sure to click the first link in the description for a free guide on why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs. This is a game changer for those of you looking to protect your savings and secure your wealth for the long term. Now let's get into how annuities can work for you. First off, annuities provide a guaranteed stream of income in retirement, which can be incredibly valuable. The main advantage of using annuities is that they often allow you to defer taxes on the income you receive until you start withdrawing it. This means that your funds can grow without being taxed right away, and when you do start withdrawing, you'll only pay tax on the amount you pull out each year, not the entire balance. This tax deferral feature can be especially useful for retirees who want to control their taxable income. If you're someone who is looking to lower your overall tax burden, annuities can be a great way to achieve that. Plus, for those of you who want more predictability in your retirement income, fixed annuities, for example, can offer a steady, reliable source of income without the risk of market volatility. This is a big deal when you're on a fixed income and need to make sure your money lasts. Now, here's where things get really interesting. There are different types of annuities, and each comes with its own set of tax advantages. For example, a variable annuity can provide tax-deferred growth, but it also comes with some level of risk based on the performance of the investments inside the annuity. While this offers the potential for higher returns, it can also expose you to some risk in exchange for that potential growth. If you're a retiree looking to minimize taxes, an immediate annuity might be your best option. This type of annuity allows you to start receiving payments almost immediately after you purchase it. The payments can be tailored to your specific needs, and the tax treatment is straightforward. You're only taxed on the portion of the payment that represents interest, which can be a big advantage for retirees trying to keep their taxes down. While annuities are a great option for many retirees, I always like to remind people that gold IRAs are another tool that can provide both tax advantages and a high level of protection for your wealth. Gold IRAs allow you to diversify your retirement portfolio, especially if you're worried about the impact of inflation or economic downturns. If you're looking to protect $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, a gold IRA could be a great way to hedge against market volatility and secure your wealth for the future. Just click the first link in the description to get access to a free gold IRA guide and find out why so many retirees are making this shift. If you're thinking about the long term, annuities can be an excellent way to manage your taxes in retirement. However, they are not the only option. A gold IRA might provide the stability and growth you're looking for, all while helping you minimize taxes. So, if you have at least $100K or more in your retirement accounts, or even if you're sitting on 5M plus in savings, it's worth exploring how gold IRAs can give you a tax-efficient way to protect your assets. To wrap up, if you're interested in making sure that your retirement plan is built to minimize taxes, annuities can offer a solid strategy. But if you're really looking to secure your wealth and protect it from economic uncertainty, especially as a retiree with substantial savings, then a gold IRA might be the best option to complement your strategy. Remember, the link in the description will take you to a free gold IRA guide, so don't wait. Click it now if you're serious about protecting your wealth and setting yourself up for a tax-efficient retirement.